White residue buildup inside your dishwasher can be frustrating. Fortunately, there are several simple steps you can take to prevent this annoying problem and keep your dishwasher and dishes sparkling clean. One of the most effective ways to prevent white residue is to use the detergent in the correct amount. Using too much detergent can lead to buildup inside the machine and on your dishes. Rinse aids help water sheet off your dishes, preventing spots and residue. Most dishwashers have a special compartment for rinse aid. Make sure it's filled regularly. If you live in an area with hard water, this step is especially important. When dishes are packed too tightly, water and detergent cannot circulate properly, leaving residue behind. This can cause detergent to settle on the surface, creating that white, chalky film you are trying to avoid. Make sure everything is spaced out and not blocking the spray arms. Proper spacing allows water to reach all surfaces, ensuring a thorough clean. Minerals, grease, and leftover food can build up inside your machine, causing white residue. Clogged spray arms or a dirty filter can reduce water flow, leaving detergent and minerals behind. Remove and rinse them regularly according to your dishwasher's manual. Regular maintenance helps prevent white residue and keeps your dishwasher running efficiently. Finally, use a dishwasher cleaner to remove buildup inside your machine that causes white residue on your dishes. Add it to your dishwasher and run a normal cycle with hot water. Make sure the hot water is already flowing for a minute before starting the cycle. This helps keep your dishwasher free from white residue. The vinegar helps dissolve mineral deposits and prevent white residue from forming on your dishes. Pour a cup of white vinegar into a heat-safe cup and place it on the top rack of your dishwasher. Run a normal dishwasher cycle. Baking soda helps prevent residue buildup in your dishwasher, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient appliance. Pour the baking soda into a cup. Then sprinkle it evenly across the bottom of your dishwasher. Next, run a full dishwasher cycle. This helps remove the white residue buildup in your dishwasher. Water softeners can also be a valuable investment if you live in an area with hard water. This reduces mineral content in your water supply, preventing the formation of white residue. Not only in your dishwasher, but also in your plumbing and appliances. By following these simple yet effective steps, you will prevent white residue buildup and enjoy cleaner dishes and a more efficient dishwasher for years to come. A little care goes a long way. Enjoy the sparkle.